36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no walking, talking, sleeping, eating, reading, smoking, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Bring out some of these officers. All right, this is the people versus Felicia DeLauder, ticket number SX3541819, count one, no operator's license on person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Felicia daughter DeLauder. Judge, she produced a valid license today. We make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
Say your name, Ms. DeLauder. Unmute yourself and say your name, please.
Felicia DeLauder.
All right, Ms. Baird, you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes.
All right, because Ms. DeLauder has valid documentation, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. DeLauder. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You're welcome. Mr. Saylor, are you ready on your matter?
Fell out. He might be, because I'm not sure. Oh, I haven't had an opportunity to speak with the officer.
No. Okay, I'm here.
There's the officer too. He wasn't in the police room. Officer Daoud.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city prosecutor. Officer Daoud, would you be okay with the failure to display?
Yes.
Okay.
I was hoping.
As long,
we could do a.
Let's go into the room. Let's go into the room, Attorney Saylor, because I was in there and I saw you drop off. So
yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'll go in room 1. Okay. Thank you,
Thank
officer.
you.
I'll be back. Thank you, Judge.
You can join your back room 1, Attorney Saylor.
Thank you. Good morning, Judge. We are ready on ACAM Rubel, please.
Is it pro pick on that?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. He's walking up court this morning.
Judge, he may have, but it's a civil infraction. I'm not sure if he's still on. I've resolved and I have the authority to accept responsibility on his behalf.
Got you, Mr. Nasser. Mr. Petway, I was talking to Mr. Petway.
Yes,
Yes. All right, this people versus Akim Rubel, ticket number SP1434993, count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Croxton.
Good morning, Judge. Corporal Croxton, Detroit Police Officer, badge 665.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, P74485, appearing on behalf of ACAM Rubel.
This matter is set for a formal hearing. How did you plan to proceed, Mr. Nasser?
Judge, I've had an opportunity to speak to the fine city attorney and who spoke to this very reasonable officer in the courtroom here today. The offer is impeding traffic. Certainly my client would accept that and I would accept responsibility on his behalf.
With that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
Absolutely, Judge.
The court will amend count 1, the blockading will proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine that is due on May 3rd. Or,
Thank you.
I'm sorry, May 2nd.
May 2nd. Okay, thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure. You have a good day. Mr. Clerk, always a pleasure. You have a good day as well.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set. Mr. Corporal Croxton, you're all set.
And thank you, Your Honor. Attorney Saylor is ready. The people have offered allowing an unlicensed driver to drive on a 3-month delayed sentence and dismissal of the 2 document misdemeanors.
That's correct, Your Honor. Your Honor, your offer.
All right, this is people versus Daniel Araha, ticket number SP1414942, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driving register on title vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. We also have our complaining officer here. Officer Daoud, would you please state your name for the record and badge?
Officer Dow, badge number 2076.
Officer Sailor, Mr. Sailor.
Yes, Your Honor. Kendall Seiler on behalf of Daniel.
Say your name, sir.
Unmute your device, Mr. Daniel, and say your name.
Good morning, Your Honor. Araha Daniel.
All right, it's my understanding your client wishes to avail himself to the offer. Is that correct, Mr. Sailor?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm not permitting an unauthorized driver to drive.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Daniel. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes, Your Honor.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Going to direct your attention to December 29, 2022 at 5:30 p.m. on that date and time where you added near Gratiot and Harper in the city of Detroit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 2010 Lincoln vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving when your license was suspended?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Ms. Horn and Ms. Sailor, Mr. Sailor?
Yes, Your Honor. He's pleading to the permitting an unauthorized driver.
And yes, satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court will amend count 1 to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Is this, and you said this is a delayed sentence, Ms. Horn?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor. It's a delayed sentence.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause, that's the counts 2 and 3 to be dismissed, Mr. Sailor?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, counts 2 and 3 are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. So, Mr. Daniel, you have to pay a fine of $200. You're gonna come back on July 18th at 8:35. That's your next court date. Between that time, you can't get any more tickets.
Okay, Your Honor. Wow.
Essentially, further police contact. So when you come back on your next date of July 18th at 8:35, you pay the fine, haven't got any more tickets, this will be dismissed off your record, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Hope you have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, you're all set. Good luck.
Thank you, Kendall. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right,
And-
thank you. You have a good day.
Okay, you too. Thank you, officer.
Thank you, officer.
Okay, this is the people versus, well, we have, Officer Hawk was here, so we'll do the rec. This is the people versus Paul Rec, ticket number SP 1420038, count. One moment, please. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Paul Redd. Judge, he's provided valid documentation, insurance. Make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
Officer Hawk, can you say your name for the record?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Police Officer Nicholas Haupt, badge 1789, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you,
And
Mr.
Your Honor,
Rec.
good morning. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303. No objection to the defense counsel's motion.
Okay, thank you. Say your name, Mr. Rec.
Paul Andrew Reck.
All right, because Mr. Rec has provided valid documentation, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Thank you, Officer Hawk.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
Is it Theodore Dobbins? This is people versus Dobbins, ticket number SP 1416902. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Hudson.
Officer Hudson.
Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the people.
I don't know, is this Barrett's matter? You're muted, Ms. Barrett.
Sorry about that. Melita Barrett on behalf of Theodore Dobbins. Judge, he presented a valid driver's license as well as valid insurance. We make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Dobbins, can you take it into the record, sir?
Theodore Dobbins.
All right, so, I guess with that, Ms. Barrett, you can stipulate the probable cause.
Yes.
All right, so counts 1 and 2 are dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Dobbins has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you. Thank you, Officer Hudson.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Rec, you can leave. Your case was dismissed.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, this is the people versus Krista Dunbar, ticket number SP 1419141, count 1, no insurance. Is Ms. Horn still here? Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor.
She has 3 civil infractions that are in the fall, it seems.
Okay, and that being said, Your Honor, the people will dismiss the misdemeanors that are on the docket for today.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This people versus Krista Dunbar, ticket number SP 1419141, count 1, no insurance, misdemeanor, count 2, drove while unlicensed. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Krista Dunbar.
Melita Barrett on behalf of Carissa Dunbar.
Ms. Barrett, you stipulate the probable cause as to counts 1 and 2.
Yes.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Dunbar. You have a number of civil infractions you need to pay because they won't disappear. So make sure you get it paid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is people versus Lance Dozier, ticket number SP 1420273, count 1, driver register untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Melita Baird on behalf of Lance Dozier. Judge, it's my understanding that this was set for trial today, and there's indication of police are present. We make a motion that the matters be dismissed.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:16. The officers have appeared. So, you know, there's more tickets. Let me call them off. We're here on ticket number SP 1420273, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, improper plates. These matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officers have failed. The officer has failed to appear. So you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
And could I get Mr. Lance to put his name on the record?
Oh, yes, please. Mr. Dozier, say your name.
Lance Dozier, LANCE as in zebra, IER.
Thank you.
All right, so you're all set, sir. Good luck.
Thank you.
And Ms. Davis, you have to stop walking around. You have to.
How do I leave?
Yeah.
I'll remove you, Mr. Dozier.
Oh, thank you.
All right, give me 1 second.
Thank you.
And Davis, Louis Davis, turn on your video.
And we have an officer in the hallway here for a Dorch.
Senator Dorch is here.
Okay, there's no recollection from the officer, so I've been told by one of my colleagues. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this is people versus Dennis Dillard, ticket number Z808471. operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Melita Baird on behalf of Dennis Dillard. Judge, this is his final pretrial. And Mr. Dillard told me he had requested a court-appointed attorney, individual, and he wants a trial date, but he didn't get his court-appointed attorney yet.
Yes, so I am going to send an email to Judge Bruce Carter, and then find out if an attorney has been appointed, and if so, who the attorney is, and make sure that the attorney gets in contact with them as soon as possible. So hopefully I'll hear from her in a moment. So Mr. Dillard, just hang tight, sir, okay? Can we put him back in the waiting room?
Oh, yes, we can.
Thank you. All right, this is People versus Lenise Davis, ticket number SP 1401045, count one, drove by license not valid, and ticket number, that's the only ticket. Good morning, please say your name.
Lenise Davis.
Who's on Lenise Davis?
Yes, ma'am.
My fault, Judge. Bob Zaranik for Miss Davis. She's here today, Judge, for arraignment on the bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be set aside. And she did show a valid California license, Judge, that was just recently renewed. She's moving here from California to Michigan, so she hasn't received a Michigan license yet, but she does have a valid California one. We were going to ask for a dismissal.
Okay, the court will set aside the bench warrant. Stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Zaranik.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the statements have provided valid documentation. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
This is the People versus Kobe Richardson, ticket number SP 1291838, count one, reckless driving. Good morning.
Kobe Richardson.
This is a no PO. It's a no police officer, so anyone.
Melita Baird on behalf of Kobe Richardson. Judge is set for trial. We make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock, 10:21, the officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. We're all set. You can bring out Mr. George. I think that's no. All right, so you're all set, Mr. Richardson. Your matter was dismissed.
Thank you.
Okay, this is the People versus Cedric Dortch, ticket number 2044739. Count one, driver's license required. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Okay, I don't have this one, so.
I got it. It's fine. Just say your name.
Melita Baird on behalf of Cedric Dortch.
Say your name, Mr. Dortch.
I'm Mr. Device, Mr. Dortch, and say your name.
Cedric Dortch.
All right, this matter was set for trial today. The officer did check in, but indicated that they had no memory. So with that, Ms. Baird, you're moving to dismiss this matter with prejudice.
That's correct.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Dortch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.